Hey kiddos, I'm Miss Evink, the art teacher over at Woodside. This year in second and third grade, we are doing an artist study. Mr. Jackson has already taught you about Vincent van Gogh in The Starry Night. Today I'm going to teach you a little bit about the Ninja Turtles. We all know and love these Ninja Turtles, but I'm not sure if you know that they are based off of Italian Renaissance artists. So we are going to study Michelangelo, Leonardo, Raphael, and Donatello in a little bit different way than you are used to. This is Michelangelo. This is his most famous sculpture. He created or carved this work of art out of marble. It's called the David, and it is actually 17 feet tall. So if you get a chance to go to Italy and go and see the David, he is going to tower over you. This is the ceiling of the Sistine Chapel. Michelangelo is one of those people that you probably have seen before and didn't realize you were seeing him, but this right here is a picture of Adam touching the finger of God, and that one is reproduced over and over and over again. So that's one that you may be already aware of. We also have probably heard of Leonardo da Vinci. He is a painter, sculptor, architect, scientist, mathematician, inventor. So you will hear about Leonardo da Vinci in art, math, science, all throughout life. You probably have already seen this picture of the Mona Lisa, this painting, and that's what we are going to base our art project off of today. He is also well known for his rendition of The Last Supper. Raphael is not as famous as Michelangelo or Leonardo da Vinci, but he worked with those two and was influenced very much so by their art. Donatello is our oldest artist who was born in the late 1300s, and he was a sculptor. Both of these sculptures are made out of bronze, metal. This horse picture is the statue. You can see it in the round, which means you can walk all the way around the horse, which is not typical of those days. Typically, you only saw paintings and sculptures from the front, like this work of art. This one is up in the Basilica, St. Anthony of Padua Basilica, and most of the art that you will find for Donatello is in that chapel, in that basilica. So that's a very, very quick get to know the Ninja Turtles, and now I'm going to have you head over to the Screencastify for Mona Lisa.